Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a little hair transformation. So what I'm doing today is reusing some taping extensions that I got from Irresistible Me back in 2023. They are very good quality and I always wanted to reuse them, so I washed them, also gave them a steam, and I removed the old tape adhesive, and I bought some new ones that I got from Amazon. We applied them to the tapes and we're going to use them again. So I wanted to reuse the tapes, but I didn't want to actually apply it onto my hair. So what I did was I did a regular sewing, and I'm going to be applying the tapes to the sewing to give fullness and length instead of applying it to my hair itself. So for the first two tapes I applied them to this little bit of hair that I had left out in the back, and when applying the tapes you're basically going to press them down onto your hair, ensuring that you're not applying them too close to your scalp so that it won't tug and create any tension. And when you're done pressing it down, you're going to lift it up, remove any hair that did not adhere to the tape in adhesive, and then you're going to take another tape and sandwich these two together. I usually see persons using a small pliers to press the tape-ins together, but I don't have a pliers, so I just use my fingers and just put really good pressure on them to press them together. After I was done pressing them together, I used my flat iron on the lowest heat setting, and this just sealed them into place. Okay, so now for the next row of tape-ins, I'm going to be parting through the tracks of my sewing, and I'm going to be applying the tape-ins onto the base of the tracks of the bundles. So it's the same process as before. I'm just applying it onto the tracks of the bundles, pressing them down. After I'm done pressing them down, I'm going to lift it up, and any hair that didn't stick to the taping adhesive, I'm going to remove that out of the way, and then I'm going to take another tape and sandwich it together. I think I applied 3 tapes in this row, and I just continued doing this same process and filled my entire head until I had the thickness and the fullness that I wanted from the tape-ins.
Crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
Okay, so this is the back completed. I think this was like 3 rows, and you see how long and thick it is already. I think this was probably like a total of maybe 10 tapes, 9 or 10 tapes at this point. So now I'm going to be adding a few of the tapes to my leave out, and this is going to help your leave out blend so good with the rest of the hair.
Calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP litty. Keep peace. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't gonna run that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
In the dark, I'm in my drop top. Who's in the streets? I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. Pull up, anticipating good love. Don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take it up, and nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to up. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. See, I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands
Why my bad bitch? I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
that
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust out, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadows. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay?